Hi dear viewers, welcome back to another exciting video. Pork is a popular meat consumed worldwide. But have you ever stopped to consider the reasons why you might choose to avoid it? Today, we'll delve into the various factors surrounding pork consumption, exploring health, ethical, and environmental concerns. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Health considerations. While pork can be a source of protein, it also contains saturated fat. Excessive intake of saturated fat can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Cholesterol. High cholesterol levels can also contribute to cardiovascular problems. Sodium. Depending on the processing, pork can be high in sodium, leading to potential blood pressure issues. Parasites. Although rare in developed countries, improper handling of pork can increase the risk of trichinosis, a parasitic infection. It's important to note, lean cuts of pork and proper cooking methods can help mitigate some health concerns. A balanced diet with a variety of protein sources is crucial. Ethical concerns. Factory farming of pigs raises ethical concerns. Animal welfare. Confined spaces, lack of natural behavior, and potential for inhumane treatment can be a significant issue. Antibiotic use. Overuse of antibiotics in factory farms can contribute to antibiotic resistance, a growing public health threat. Consumers who prioritize animal welfare might choose alternatives. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of pork production includes greenhouse gas emissions. Factory farms contribute to greenhouse gases due to animal waste and energy use. Deforestation. Clearing land for animal agriculture can lead to deforestation and habitat loss. Water pollution. Animal waste can contaminate water sources if not managed properly. Choosing alternative protein sources with a lower environmental footprint can be a sustainable option. Making informed choices. Ultimately, the decision of whether to eat pork is a personal one. This video aims to provide information for informed choices. Consider these factors. Health. Explore alternative protein sources that align with your dietary needs and health goals. Ethics. Research the practices of your food suppliers and prioritize companies committed to animal welfare. Environment. Consider the environmental impact of your food choices and explore sustainable options. Whether you choose to continue eating pork or explore alternatives, knowledge is power. By understanding the various factors involved, you can make informed choices that align with your values. If you like the video, do me a favor, share the video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.